All right, look at this one here, guys and girls. That's a 2010 BMW 3 Series for $6,500. We're gonna take this little $6,500 3 Series down the road here, see how she drives. You know, not a bad looking car to be 11 years old, especially for $6,500. I like the wheels. It's got nice looking Michelin tires on there, 16-inch wheels though, X-Drive, so it's all-wheel drive. It's not perfect, right? It's got a little character to it, as they would say. And what I mean by that, like the window tint on the back is kind of started to bubble up a little bit, so you know that probably needs to get pulled off and retinted at some point. She's got a little dust on her today, but that can be wiped off, you know. Got a little ding right here on the back. Pretty spacious trunk. I always liked how BMW kind of put that gray carpet in the rear. Just me, I like it, it's different. Does it have a spare? Curious. No, this one doesn't have a spare. You know, a lot of BMWs don't come with spare tires, believe it or not. So you might think to yourself, oh, you know, there's no spare tire on that car. But sometimes they don't come with them. But the interior looks nice. The navy blue with tan. Pretty good looking seats. No rips, no tears. Carpets are clean. Not bad here. Dash looks good. Automatic transmission. Looking pretty good. Let's hop in. The AC blows cold, so that's a plus. Got cold AC. Does have a service engine soon light on, and it's got some miles. It's got 146 on the odometer there. 146, 486. So maybe a little bit higher mileage, a little bit older. Maybe those are some of the reasons, you know, behind the lower price. And it might need a little service, right? Probably an oil change. Oh, sunroof. Let's see how it drives. I like to sometimes cut the AC off and roll our windows down on the test drive so you can hear the engine. All right, here we go. Now, it doesn't have a backup camera. Just a quick spin. Man, this thing's kind of quick. Not bad. You know, BMW's always been known for their performance feel when driving. A tight suspension, steering's tight. Sits a little lower to the ground, rear-wheel drive. Acceleration was good just now. Handles quite nicely. I like it, I really do. And you know, even though it's 11 years old, it still has a classy look about it. You know, it's like, you know, if you were driving a 2010 Ford Fusion or a 2010 BMW, you know, and they're both parked next to each other, which one looks a little more expensive? Of course, the Beamer does. Let's see how fast we can get across the road here. Zippity-doo all day. There you go. So what do you think, you know? Would you buy a $6,500 BMW 3 Series? Are you worried about the maintenance that's involved in these cars? If something breaks, are you concerned about the price of fixing it? A lot of people, that seems to be what they say. But if you look over there at that shop across the road there, what do you see? Do you see any Beamers being worked on over there? You see a lot of Chevrolets, Chryslers, you know, stuff like that. You don't really see, I mean, a few Hondas, but you don't see a whole lot of Beamers You know what I mean? So yes, BMWs are going to be a little more expensive, but they're still probably pretty good, decent cars at the end of the day. What do you think? That's the question I ask everybody. What would you do? Would you buy a $6,500 BMW? I mean, in reality, if you got $7,000 or $6,000, pretty nice ride. Pretty nice ride. Not bad, I don't think. And it's clean as can be. I'll get out and show it to you one more time. There we go. Pretty clean. Might make a really nice car for somebody. I really don't think it'll sit here for very long. Today's the first day filming it, marketing it, doing the pictures of it, getting it up and ready to go online. So let me know if you're watching this video. Let me know if you're interested. All right, we'll see everybody soon. Do you drive a BMW? What's your thoughts about them? You would know better than I do. You've had one. Do you work on them? Share some input right there in the comment section. We'll see everybody on the next video. Thank you.